Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a vegetarian split peas cook-up, some Parmesan crusted mushrooms, some fried plantains, garden salad, and some mango achar with some hot pepper. I know that's a lot, but guys, this is super easy, quick, and delicious. Alright, so if you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, make sure to share this video, and also leave a comment down below. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of the ingredients: some chickpeas, some rice, some coconut milk, some spices. Here I also have some diced carrots, some cilantro, parsley, and some diced onions, thyme, and okra. So here I'll be boiling my peas until it is nice and tender. So in the water I also added some spring thyme, a few sprigs of thyme. Let that cook. So to a pot I added about 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Then I will go in with some onions, allow this to cook for about 30 seconds. Then I add some celery, some diced ginger, and the washed rice, and give this a good stir. So what I like to do whenever I'm doing vegetarian cook-up, I like to toast my rice so everything is really well infused. I add some parsley, some Italian seasoning, some carrots, and give that a good stir. Now I'm going in with the rest of my spices. Now the list of the ingredients that I use for this recipe will also be in the description box. Alright, so after about 5 minutes on low heat, we give that a really good stir. Then I drain my split peas and I add that to the rice. Alright, give that a good stir. Then I'll go in with my chickpeas. Give that a good stir also. And I also added some, like 1 cup of spinach. Smells amazing. So next what we will do is add 2 cups of coconut milk and add the water from the peas that you would have drained. Do not throw the water away. Make sure to save that. We'll use that in the cook-up. Alright, so I add about 3 cups of water, of the peas water. Now here is where you can adjust your seasoning to your likeness. Give it a good taste, make sure it's to your likeness. I did add just 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Looks amazing. And now what I'll add is my okra. I wash that and I add 3 or 4 okra here, and this gives the cook-up a really rich flavor. I did add some parsley and 1 habanero pepper, and I cover and allow this to steam until the rice is nice and soft. Alright, so here this is my Parmesan crusted mushrooms. I did wash and cut my mushrooms in half, season that also, and here I have some Parmesan cheese, flour, and I'll leave the description also in the ingredients in the description box. Alright, so we'll fry this up until it is nice and golden. Guys, this is a wonderful menu if you're trying meatless diet. This is great for you guys to try. Looks absolutely amazing. That is what it looks like, and our cook-up is done. Look at that, absolutely amazing. So what I'll do here is plate up and you guys will see. So I did have this eat this with some of that mushrooms and some garden salad with some fried plantains. Guys, it is delicious. If you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it, and comment also. Alright, so please do not forget to subscribe, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.